Hello, it's Mandah Swift with MandahSwift.com. Just have some exciting updates about the Illustrator Directory, but first, wow, I just want to thank you for all the wonderful feedback and submissions already. You guys are amazing. I love seeing all the amazing talent out there. You may have noticed I've been following you on social media, and I really encourage everyone to check out the directory, and you can easily click on the links so that you can follow your fellow illustrators on social media, so we can really boost each other up that way. Now, I am working through each submission one at a time, so I really appreciate your continued patience. And I have been sending out approval emails in batches, so definitely be looking out for that email. One of the exciting updates that I have to share with you is that we have a new domain. So I'm still going to be hosting it on my MandahSwift.com website, but you can now use and share IllustratorDirectory.com. Once you do that, it will just redirect to this page, but that way it's a lot easier to remember and for you to share with others. It looks a lot more official. Now, the other exciting announcement, which you may have seen in the Facebook groups, is Illustrator Spotlight. I just wanted to take a moment to talk about this. So each month, I will be choosing 3 illustrators for this Illustrator Spotlight. If you are chosen, you'll be notified by email, and then I'll ask you to send an image to be used for the spotlight. Illustrators are being chosen based on, of course, being a part of the directory, so definitely if you have not joined yet, you can go ahead and click join here on the main page. Some of the other things I'm looking for is involvement in the group, especially helping, supporting, sharing on others, and then having high quality work in your portfolio, having books that are released with a good review, and of course coming to Kidlit Tuesdays each month will definitely increase your chances. I'm not saying it's required, but that will definitely increase your chances. I want our community to be involved with each other, and this is a great way because there's going to be networking opportunities on Kidlit Tuesday. You would be able to listen to what the topic is, but also ask questions, or maybe even give some of your own feedback or experiences and share that. So it's just a really great way for us to connect outside of Facebook. Now, the illustrators chosen for the Illustrator Spotlight will be listed as one of the 3 spotlighted illustrators in the directory during the month they are chosen. So they'll be labeled featured in the directory, promoted to a growing email base of authors, and promoted in the Facebook group as well as on my social media accounts. So that's pretty exciting stuff, and so I just wanted to let you all know what's going on so that you can be looking out for that. And I hope you have a really great day.